If you are currently working in T4 and notice that your editing is giving you a little bit of trouble, maybe you are having trouble with the spacing of your text, or maybe you've noticed that the font is different than you are used to. It's very possible that you had copy and pasted from another application out of T4 and accidentally copied some styles with it. So the best thing to do is to try avoiding those issues by pasting as text. So we're going to start here in Microsoft Word and we're going to copy this. And I am just using Control C here to copy that. You could also use the file button. Okay, and we're going to go to the main content type within T4 here. Now, if I simply hit Control V, or on Mac, Command V, you're going to notice that I have links here. I have italics, I have bold. And if I look on the back end here and look at the source code, I'm going to see a lot of information here that doesn't belong here. We're going to simplify that a little bit by going up to Edit and paste as text. We're going to check off paste as text. It's not actually going to do anything here. We're just checking off that option. And if I hit Control V one more time, you're going to notice that all of the formatting has been stripped. There's no bold. The links aren't there anymore. And that's actually what we want. We want all of the formatting to be removed. And that includes, but it isn't limited to, bullets, bolding, italics, hyperlinks, fonts, some spacing. Excuse me. Sometimes you might have indents. So it will remove all of those things. If we go back to our source code right here, you can see the EM that I had pointed out that was right around here is no longer there, and it's a little bit more simplified. Now, this means you will need to format your text once you have it in here. You will have to relink items. However, that's actually the best thing to do because the more formatting is in here, the more problems it's going to cause for you.